Okay, so in this lecture, I want to show you what you can do if you get a 403 error when trying to download a file from lazyprogrammer.me. So sometimes my host just acts up and it won't let you download the file. It's probably not going to happen right now as I do this, because it doesn't happen in most cases, but sometimes it does, very occasionally. So I want to show you what you can do if this doesn't work. So you can see this time it turns out to work. So let me delete this file. So the file is there because we did download it successfully. So I'm just going to RM this file. And I want to show you what you can do instead if you get a 403. Okay, so basically I think we tend to, when we're doing something complex like data science, we forget simple things. For instance, how can you get this file? Let's say you got a 403, what could you do? Well, probably the reason why you're getting a 403 is not because the download is not working. It's because the host is probably trying to block Colab, or because Colab is public, you have all sorts of people using the same IP addresses, and the host may have flagged one of these IP addresses as a bad IP. Okay, so what you can do is you can just download this file normally in the web browser. Just copy and paste the URL, download the file, now you have the file. Okay, so I'm not going to download it because I already have it. But from there, what you could do is you click this little folder icon on the left side, and here you have a file explorer. And you can just drag and drop files into this little window. So here I have airlinepassengers.csv. You just drag it in, and it will upload. Okay, so now the file is uploaded. Let's close this, and let's ls again. Let's see where this file is. Okay, so the file's right here. So basically all you have to do is keep going. Right? So everything works as expected. So the only difference is that instead of downloading the file automatically in the notebook, you're downloading the file yourself and then putting it in the same location where it would have been if you had just downloaded it like this. And again, there's nothing we can really do about this because, these are public IP addresses. So if people misbehave,